I actually started recording after I pulled this entire piece out, but what you do is literally just pull this entire piece out. There's nothing special to it. There's clips that are holding this together, but just pull down and it'll come up right off. I also moved the mirror down so I can have more room in working. Now I'm going to remove the sunroof switch clip as well, and also the clip that powers the lights. It definitely takes a bit of time the first time you do it, but once you do it, you can do it subsequent times and it'll be much quicker. Once you get these clips off, the next thing you do is just flip open that white cover, and that's where you'll see the lights. See right there, that's a hinge, and that's the part you want to flip open. Just kind of gently pry it up, and then you'll see the bulbs. I already took out one. As you can see, there's that remaining one right there, so you just have to kind of get it out gingerly. Put the new one in. You may have to adjust the terminal so that it fits more snug. You'll see here it was kind of loose, so that's why I'm adjusting that terminal so that it would hold it tighter, because the bulb is ever so slightly smaller than the original one. Now it's much more snug. Next thing you want to do is put the clip back on for the lights. You want to power it on before you put everything back together. In case it doesn't work, you can troubleshoot. And as you can see, it does power on, so that's good news. Now I can put in the other bulb and do the same. Now that you have both bulbs in, all you have to do is just position it the way you want for the desired amount of light. If you have it facing outwards, I noticed that you get the most light that way. If you want less light, then just face it inwards. Nice and bright and white. I'm just putting it up here so I can see how the light might distribute to the interior. Now we gotta get ready to put everything back. It takes a little bit of finagling to get this back in there, so I'm just gonna skip ahead and do this. Alright, all back in. Definitely more difficult than the regular version without the sunroof, but power's on, nice and bright, no more yellow. Thanks for watching.